Guys, so this is the video for task 3. So the aim is exploratory data analysis on details. This was assigned to me by the Spark Foundation. So the sample data set that was provided was the sample superstore, and as a business manager I have to work on the weak areas and I can find what areas can be improved to have a more profit. So in the step 0, we are importing the libraries to perform this exploratory data analysis. So that the important libraries are NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. So the second step is, or the first step is importing the dataset. So we are importing the dataset. Then after we are taking the dataset, that it is loaded dataset, that using the data.head that will give us the first five rows of the dataset. Next, we are performing data.info that will provide us the insights of the columns, that what is the data type of that column. So, and then we are performing data.describe that will give a brief description about the data. Then the shape of the data set. Then we are finding the unique value who's in the category column. Then unique value who's and the number of unique values, that is n unique means the number of unique values in the city column. Then unique values in the category column. Now we are comparing the category and the subcategory with the most cell. So the first we are finding the value count of the category column and the subcategory count. So the value count of the subcategory. Then we are visualizing the categories. Here the categories like furniture, super office supplies, and the technology. Next we are using Plotly to express to visualize the subcategories. So here are the subcategories and here is the visualization for them. So as I keep hover over the kit graph, it increases and I can show us the value of the subcategory, and it shows us the exact value of how what is the subcategory denoting. Next, there is a pie chart of the for the category about this office supplies, furniture, and the technology. Next, again there is a graph, scatter graph that shows about the category. Now there is a visualization for the profits use by regions, like region-wise profits. Like for the center there is 23%, for the south there is 16%, and for the regional wise there is for the west that is 32%, and for the east there is 28%. So now we are like uh, now we are like making the data set smaller by taking the data for the profit having it greater than 3,000, and checking for the loss profit that it is having the profit less than 0. Here they are cutting is high profit and loss that is greater than 6,000 3,000. Again we are visualizing the profits, and we can hover over the circles to see which city and what is the profit of that city. So this is the basic task that a business manager to do. So go to work on the weak areas and see for the what are the, how to he can increase the profits. Thank you.